So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can add a YouTube channel trailer for your YouTube channel. If you don't know, if when you add a YouTube channel trailer, the person that are visiting your YouTube channel for the first time, there you see all the content, or you can see the trailer that you have been upload for your channel, which contains the brief of all the content that you upload on your channel, or which basically specify you as a content creator on YouTube. So you can upload a channel trailer for the new visitors on your YouTube channel. Now in order to add a trailer, just simply open your YouTube Studio on any browser. Either you can do the same process on PC version or the smartphone mobile application of browser as well. Just simply go to the option of desktop site on mobile. Now for example, if I open YouTube Studio on the Google Chrome on my PC, you can see it's just right there. When I open this, I have to find an option of customization on the left window. You can see it's just right there. When I click on the option of customizations, I am now in the customization sections of my YouTube channel. Here at the first option, you will see channel trailer for the people who haven't subscribed. Just simply add or click on the add button, and here you will see all your YouTube videos that have been uploaded to your YouTube channel. You can select any of the video as your YouTube channel trailer. It could be an unlisted video as well, so that if you don't want that video to be featured on your YouTube video section, or you want just to be the trailer of your channel, you can do that as well just by unlisting the video and adding that video to the trailer section of your channel. So by this method, you can easily add the trailer of your YouTube channel. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.